A Rishabh Academy school in Meerut has made it mandatory for students to keep short hair similar to the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath himself. Not just the students who did not have a similar hairstyle were either punished or were sent back home. Now the school has also banned any non-vegetarian food in tiffin of students, since they say the school is being managed by people from the Jain community. Let's get on a word from Amir Haq, who's been tracking all the developments. Amir, first of all, this is absolutely bizarre, and take us through the explanation that has been given by this Rishabh Academy in Meerut.
Well, the school management has said that we actually did not directly tell the students to get a yogi-style haircut. It was only when the students could not understand the kind of haircut that was being advocated by school management, they had to tell in detail to the students and their parents that they want a haircut which is similar to Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. So although this might seem very amusing, but the students there and their parents definitely had a heated debate with the school management, because it was not just Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath style haircut which they advocated. It was also a complete ban on non-vegetarian food items in the school tiffin that was being brought by students to the school. Also, a certain decision about the girls and boys in this co-ed school being segregated, being made to sit in different classrooms, was something that was being objected to, because if this was a co-ed school, then definitely parents of all the students would want such students, both boys and girls, to sit together in the class. Otherwise, it actually defeats the purpose. So basically, a lot of controversial decisions by the school management have caused this direct confrontation between the parents of the students and the school management. But so far, no decision in respect of all such controversial decisions has been finally taken by the school, by the district administration over there.
All right, Amir, stay on with us. We have a reaction from the school principal. Let's listen into what explanation they have.
देखिए, हमारा स्कूल ऋषभ एकेडमी जैन समाज सदर का एक शाकाहारी स्कूल है। शाकाहारी स्कूल होने के कारण हमारे यहाँ डिसिप्लिन के आधार पर हमारी पुस्तिका में साफ लिखा है डायरी में कि आप प्रॉपर हेयर कटिंग में आएंगे और नॉन वेज, अंडा, मीट, मांस, आमलेट कोई चीज़ नहीं लेके आएंगे। कुछ दिनों से हमारे यहाँ बच्चे हमारे हर चीज़ का आदेश का अवहेलना कर रहे हैं, जिसमें से कुछ लोग अंडा, मीट, मांस ले आए, उनको पकड़ा गया, उन्हें चेतावनी देके छोड़ दिया गया। और जो बाल प्रॉपर कटिंग कटवा के नहीं आ रहे थे, तो हमने लिखा फौजी कट या रंगरूट, या जैसे IME देहरादून में मिलिट्री कट होते हैं, आप इस तरह से आए और बालों में तेल लगा के आए। तो उस पर कुछ विशेष लोगों ने हमारे स्कूल में आग लगा देंगे, आपके स्कूल में बिरादरीवाद फैलता है, इस तरह से हंगामा शुरू कर दिया। एक ने मेरे पर आरोप लगाया कि आपने कहा है कि योगी आदित्यनाथ वाले बाल कटवाने की जिद कर रहे हैं। तो मैंने ये कहा कि जब आप लोगों को छोटे बालों की परिभाषा समझ में नहीं आ रही है, तो आप छोटे बाल कराइए। बोले आप यार योगी आदित्यनाथ वाले कह रहे हैं, तो मैंने कहा वो कोई गंजे थोड़ी है माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी, उनके जैसे छोटे बाल रख लें। ओबामा जो हमारे अमेरिका का राष्ट्रपति था, उसके भी तो छोटे बाल थे।